College is tough, but your tech doesn't have to be. These tablets are designed to handle the chaos: notes, lectures, Netflix, and more. Every model mentioned is linked in the description below. Let's begin our review of the best tablets for college students with the Lenovo Tab M11. If you're looking for a device that strikes a compelling balance between affordability and everyday functionality, this tablet deserves your consideration. The Lenovo Tab M11 is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor, providing enough power to smoothly handle your typical college workload and multitasking needs. Whether you're taking notes during a lecture, running multiple apps, or streaming educational videos, you'll find the performance both reliable and consistent. Its 11-inch display, with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, offers vibrant visuals and crisp text, making it a pleasure to read ebooks, annotate PDFs, or even unwind with your favorite shows after a long day of classes. The benefits of the Lenovo Tab M11 extend beyond just the hardware. With its lightweight design, you'll find it easy to slip into your backpack and carry from class to class without feeling weighed down. The tablet's battery life is engineered to last through a full day of lectures and study sessions, so you won't need to constantly search for a charging outlet. This reliability is a huge plus for students on the go, ensuring you can focus on your coursework without interruption. The device also comes with an integrated light sensor, which automatically adjusts the screen brightness to your environment, reducing eye strain during long study marathons. Another standout feature is the expandable storage. The Lenovo Tab M11 allows you to add a micro SD card so you can store all your lecture recordings, assignments, and entertainment content without worrying about running out of space. This flexibility is especially valuable for students who need to keep a large library of reference materials or multimedia files at their fingertips. The tablet also supports the latest connectivity standards, so you can enjoy fast downloads, smooth video calls, and seamless collaboration with classmates. When you use the Lenovo Tab M11, you'll appreciate how it enhances your productivity while remaining simple and intuitive to use. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to organize your apps, manage your calendar, and stay on top of deadlines. Transitioning now to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, which is a really good tablet for students. With this top-rated student tablet, you'll discover a tablet that's celebrated for its versatility and creative potential, especially for students who value note-taking and artistic expression. As one of the best tablets for students on a budget, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite features a sleek, lightweight design that makes it highly portable so you can carry it between classes or slip it into your bag without a second thought. Its 10.4-inch display offers a vivid and immersive viewing experience, whether you're studying diagrams, reading textbooks, or watching educational videos. One of the most significant advantages of the Tab S6 Lite is the inclusion of the S Pen. This stylus is a game changer for students who prefer handwritten notes or need to annotate documents on the fly. The S Pen offers a natural pen-to-paper feel with low latency, making it ideal for sketching, highlighting, and even creating detailed diagrams during class. You'll find that your note-taking becomes more dynamic and organized, and the S Pen's magnetic attachment ensures you never lose track of it. The Tab S6 Lite is also designed to support your productivity with a robust suite of Samsung and Android apps. You can easily split the screen to multitask, perhaps taking notes on one side while referencing a lecture slide on the other. The tablet's performance is powered by a reliable processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth transitions between apps and minimal lag, even when you're juggling multiple tasks. With expandable storage, you'll have plenty of space for your coursework, media, and personal files. Battery life is another area where the Tab S6 Lite shines. You can expect all-day usage on a single charge, which means you'll be covered from your first morning class to your late-night study sessions. The tablet also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery between activities. The overall user experience is intuitive and customizable, allowing you to tailor the device to your unique study habits and academic needs. Moving on to the Microsoft Surface Pro, you'll encounter a device that brings the full power of a laptop into a portable tablet form factor. If you're looking for the best tablet for school, then you'll love that the Surface Pro is renowned for its versatility, making it an excellent choice for students who require a device that can handle everything from intensive research to creative projects. With a high-resolution 13-inch touchscreen and support for the Surface Pen, sold separately, You can seamlessly switch between typing, drawing, and annotating, making it a perfect fit for both written assignments and visual brainstorming. The Surface Pro is an ideal tablet for students because it runs Windows, meaning you have access to the full suite of Microsoft Office applications and any specialized software your coursework may require. This compatibility is a significant advantage for students in fields like engineering, design, or business, where desktop class applications are often essential. The tablet's powerful Snapdragon X Plus or Elite processor and generous 16 GB of RAM ensure that multitasking is effortless, whether you're editing documents, conducting research online, or participating in virtual classes. Another benefit of the Surface Pro is its adaptable design. The built-in kickstand allows you to adjust the angle for comfortable typing, drawing, or watching videos, while the detachable keyboard, sold separately, transforms the tablet into a fully functional laptop. This flexibility means you can use the Surface Pro in any setting, from the lecture hall to the coffee shop to your dorm room. If you're seeking the best tablet for college students, then you'll love that the device's lightweight construction and slim profile make it easy to carry, and its long battery life ensures you won't be tethered to a charger during your busiest days. You'll also appreciate the robust connectivity options, including USB-C and traditional USB ports, which make it simple to connect to external displays, storage devices, or peripherals. The Surface Pro's high-resolution display offers crisp visuals for reading, editing, or streaming, and its responsive touchscreen makes navigation a breeze. For students who demand both power and portability, the Surface Pro delivers a premium experience that adapts to every academic challenge. Next up on my list of the best tablets for students, let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, a tablet that's designed to offer a premium experience at a more accessible price point. If you're someone who values a large, immersive display, you'll love the Tab S10 FE's vibrant 10.9-inch screen, which is perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Whether you're reading digital textbooks, attending virtual lectures, or relaxing with your favorite series, the display brings content to life with clarity and color. Performance is another area where the Tab S10 FE excels. With a powerful Exynos 1580 processor under the hood, you can expect smooth multitasking and quick app launches, making it easy to switch between note-taking, research, and communication with classmates. The tablet is equipped with expandable storage, so you can keep all your course materials, projects, and media organized in one place without worrying about running out of space. The Tab S10 FE also boasts a long-lasting battery designed to keep up with your busy college schedule. Whether you want the best tablet for homework or a great tablet for classes, you can rely on it to get you through a full day of classes, study sessions, and social activities without needing to recharge. The device's lightweight and slim profile make it highly portable, so you can carry it anywhere on campus with ease. Fast charging support means you can quickly power up between classes and never miss a beat. As one of the best tablet computers for students, what sets the Tab S10 FE apart is its focus on user experience. The intuitive Android interface is easy to navigate, and Samsung's suite of productivity tools helps you stay organized and efficient. You'll find features like split-screen multitasking and secure facial recognition, which add convenience and peace of mind. For creative students, the tablet supports stylus input, opening up new possibilities for note-taking and artistic projects. So what is the best tablet for college students? Overall, while there are many good Android options, I'd have to say that the Apple iPad 11-inch is the best tablet computer for students because it's a device that has long been synonymous with versatility and performance in the student world. The latest iPad is powered by Apple's superfast A16 chip, delivering impressive speed and responsiveness for everything from multitasking to gaming. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is not only stunning to look at, with vibrant colors and sharp detail, but also features True Tone technology, which adjusts the screen to your environment for comfortable viewing in any lighting condition. With iPadOS, you'll enjoy a seamless, intuitive user experience that's optimized for productivity. The iPad allows you to run multiple apps simultaneously, use Apple Pencil for precise note-taking and drawing, and take advantage of a vast ecosystem of educational and creative apps. Touch ID built into the top button adds a layer of convenience and security, letting you unlock your device and make payments with just your fingerprint. As the best student tablet available, the iPad's all-day battery life ensures you can rely on it from your first class to your last study session. And fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity keeps you connected to your assignments, classmates, and cloud storage at all times. Storage options start at 128 gigabytes and go up to 512 gigabytes, so you'll have plenty of room for all your notes, projects, and media. The device's lightweight design and 4 color choices make it as stylish as it is functional. And the USB-C connector opens up compatibility with a wide range of accessories. When you use the Apple iPad, you'll quickly see why it's a favorite among students. Its combination of power, portability, and creative flexibility makes it ideal for everything from writing essays to editing videos. The iPad is a device that adapts to your needs, whether you're in the classroom, the library, or relaxing after a long day. It's a tool that empowers you to learn, create, and connect in ways that feel effortless and inspiring, and is therefore my most recommended tablet for students. Those are our top recommendations for the best tablets for college students. Whether you need something lightweight for note-taking or powerful enough for creative projects, there's a tablet here to help you succeed in school. Don't forget, we've included links to the current prices in the description box below so you can find the best deal for your budget.